You look at a fluffy puppy, their big round eyes, floppy ears, and tiny paws make you squeal. But then a strange urge hits. You want to squeeze them, crush them, or gently pinch their cheeks. Why does cuteness make us feel aggressive? Scientists call this cute aggression. It's not about wanting to cause harm. It is an involuntary brain reaction that happens when our emotional cup fills to the very brim. But where does this behavior start? To understand why our brains react this way, we have to look into the biology of cuteness. And to help us decode the science of the canine face, here is Sherlock. The secret behind those irresistible puppy features is a biological process called neoteny. This is the retention of juvenile baby-like physical traits into adulthood, keeping dogs looking young and cute. In the 1940s, zoologist Conrad Lorenz identified the baby schema. He proved that features like a large forehead, round face, big eyes, and soft textures automatically trigger our human caregiving instincts. When we domesticate dogs, we select for traits that look different from their wild ancestors. Wolves have long muzzles and sharp, intense faces. Puppies, however, have shortened skulls and floppy, soft ears. Humans didn't just breed dogs to herd or hunt. We also bred them for their looks. Over thousands of years, dogs that retained their cute puppy-like features were fed, protected, and allowed to breed. Science discovered that dogs evolved a specific muscle called the levator anguli oculi medialis. This tiny muscle allows them to raise their inner eyebrows, making their eyes look larger and more human-like. When a dog makes this face, our brains interpret it the exact same way they would react to a human infant. We feel an instant, powerful urge to comfort, feed, and protect them. This eye contact triggers a mutual flood of oxytocin, the bonding hormone. It rises in both you and the dog, cementing a deep biological connection with every single shared look. But this brings us back to our behavior mystery. If these features make us feel so much warmth and affection, why does our brain suddenly respond with an aggressive impulse? In 2015, researchers at Yale University studied this phenomenon. They gave participants bubble wrap to pop while showing them photos of cute, neutral, or funny animals. The study showed that people popped significantly more bubbles when looking at cute puppies compared to older, neutral animals. The cuteness triggered a physical, motor-driven release. Neurologists discovered that when we see something incredibly cute, our mesolimbic dopamine system is flooded. Our brain is so overwhelmed by positive emotion that it short-circuits. To restore emotional balance, the brain introduces a flash of opposite emotion, aggression. This dimorphous expression acts as a pressure valve, cooling down our system. Without this regulatory loop, humans would be completely incapacitated by the cuteness. We would simply stare in awe, unable to perform the actual physical work of caregiving. So cute aggression isn't about anger. It is your brain's clever way of keeping you awake, alert, and capable of keeping that small, vulnerable puppy safe from harm. However, our obsession with cuteness has a darker side. Because we love puppy faces so much, humans began selectively breeding dogs for extreme neotenic features. Breeds like French bulldogs and pugs are bred with highly exaggerated baby features, flat faces, very large eyes, and deep skin folds. We call this brachycephaly. These features cause severe health trade-offs. The flat faces restrict airways, making it hard to breathe, while deep skin folds trap dirt and cause painful skin infections. Cuteness must never come at the cost of the dog's comfort. True companionship means understanding that these animals are living beings, not cute toys built for our amusement. Responsible breeders are now working to reverse these extreme features. They focus on breeding for open airways and structural health rather than exaggerated baby faces. Loving a dog means admiring their natural canine spirit. When we look past the puppy face, we find an ancient, intelligent companion who deserves a healthy life. Fortunately, we can learn to manage our cute aggression in a way that respects our dog's boundaries. Let's build a simple, everyday blueprint for healthy interactions. First, recognize the physical signs of cute overload. If you notice yourself clenching your jaw or squeezing your fists, your emotional system is spiking. Second, redirect the urge to squeeze. Instead of high-energy hugging, offer calm, deep-pressure touches like a slow chest rub or letting them lean against you. Third, keep the environment quiet. Squealing, shrieking, or sudden movements can stress your dog, turning your positive feelings into their anxiety. By greeting your dog with calm, grounded energy, you show them that you are a safe space. A peaceful connection is always better than high-energy excitement. If you want more calm, science-backed explainers like this, consider subscribing. We unpack one dog behavior mystery at a time. Because at the end of the day, understanding your dog's brain isn't about striving for perfect control. It's about building a language of trust, reassurance, and love in those quiet, everyday moments.